I feel this season is a phase where we can sort of lay a foundation as to where the test team will go, or test cricket will go as far as India is concerned. And we've started off really well. This team is full of exciting players who are very talented, as we all know. The challenge for the last year or so has been to show composure in test cricket and get the victories that we require, and we've been able to do that. So the important thing is to continue the same. Very kind words by Anil Bhai. Obviously he can see things from a different perspective. As a player involved in the team, you might not be able to see things like that. So that's an overview of what he thinks, and that obviously gives us a lot of confidence that a player like him, a legend like him, believes in the team in that way. So we feed off that. We take a lot of confidence from it, and this season obviously will be, you can say, career defining for all the people in this squad, because hardly we have played 17 test matches regularly. We've always played on and off, and that's one thing that we're very happy about, that we can plan our test cricket and test ourselves and earn our victories wherever the chance comes up. So very exciting times, I feel.
Ganesh?
We spoke about solidifying the batting a little bit more, especially on wickets, that because all the teams have quality spinners nowadays, and you don't want to leave out a window for the opposition to capitalize, especially quality sides like New Zealand, England, Australia, who we're going to play. So we have to make sure that all bases are covered. Some conditions you might not need the fifth bowler, so we have to be smart about the combination that we want to play. Plus, it's basically, that's our thinking. To solidify the batting a little bit more and see where which four bowlers can come into play. Obviously, Ishant not playing is something that we're not used to starting a test series, but he's down with something that's not controllable. It's not an injury; it's just a illness. So the good thing is that people have stepped in the past in West Indies, and can we please not speak in between when we're answering a question, please? Thanks. People have stepped in the past and performed wherever the chance has been given to them. So it's an opportunity for someone who steps in place of Ishant to prove himself, not prove himself, but go out there and grab his chance and capitalize to the maximum.